Hello and welcome back. In this video I'm going to share you the local SEO roadmap. This is a complex roadmap. Just I want to share you, and I will share this picture in description that you can understand very carefully and very deeply. First of all, here you can see start. Are you on page on Google? No. If no, then Google listing setup. That means you have to set up your business profile. Then if your Google listing setup is done, then yes, okay. Then are your listing is optimized? No. If no, then business name, address, contact information, category, hours, map, photo, introduction, keyword validates. Okay. Then if yes, then Google reviews. Okay. Then if getting Google reviews. If no, check competition, start with best competitor. Getting regular clients referrals every month, yes. Adding regular name, address, phone number, asset, then yes. So in this way, if you read very carefully, you can understand the guide or full roadmap of local SEO. Okay, so this is very careful and a complex method. At least you need minimum 3 months to get a rank on your local searches. Thank you so much for watching this video. Next video I'll share you local SEO ranking factor. Thank you so much.